project, I used 2 cups and string. It is about sound. The benefit of it, if one talks, the sound waves will move in the string, and then the other one will will
Hear?
will hear the sound.
Good. So the sound travels in the string
Yeah,
in form of moves.
yeah.
Waves, sorry. These waves are transferred from one side to another side.
Yeah,
Then he can hear him.
yeah. But you have to pull the.
So this string is a medium.
Yeah,
Which type of medium? Is it solid medium or liquid medium or gaseous medium?
solid medium.
Solid medium. Thank you very much, Yasin.